outside, and today we decide to make apple pie. One apple, two. I cut one apple, now I need to dump it. Apples are so yummy. Then we're gonna make batter. We're gonna crack eggs into this bowl. And Encanto. Look at the look. It's yummy and healthy. Now I'm gonna put the sorghum in. Look what happened. Mix. We got to mix it really good until the sugar dissolves. Now I'm gonna put the triangle like that. Look. That is fast. I'm gonna get the baking powder. Now I need to mix it again. It's funky. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and cinnamon. The pinch. Some stuck on my nail. Now we're gonna get the pinch of cinnamon. I dumped all the cinnamon. Now I got to mix it up. It's yummy cinnamon with apples. Now I'm gonna dump the ingredients into 2 of these pins. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And Mama already cut it, so we're gonna try it with you. It's good. Bye!